Customers from different countries come to SZGH with different manufacturing needs. But they come here for the same reason, to find practical manufacturing solutions. Over time, customers and partners from around the world have visited SZGH to see our products and factory in person. During each visit, customers can learn more about SZGH CNC machines, industrial robots, CNC Control Systems, and automation solutions. Seeing the real equipment helps customers better understand product structure, configuration, and application possibilities. Through face-to-face communication, our team can also learn more about each customer's workpiece, production process, and automation requirements. From product display to production and technical support, customers can see how show solutions are prepared for real manufacturing applications. Different factories have different challenges, so the right solution depends on the actual application. That is why every visit is also an opportunity to discuss suitable CNC and automation solutions together. From one country to another, every visit helps build stronger communication and long-term cooperation. Contact SZGH to plan your next factory visit and automation project.